Last year, everywhere I went, people were talking about F1 Soft. But what exactly is the company? What exactly does the group do?
F1 Soft Group is an ecosystem of digital products and services that facilitates Nepali consumers' access to financial services.
It has a host of companies such as eSeva Money Transfer, F1 Soft International, PhonePe, Feet International, Cogent Health, Extenso Data, Logica Beans, Darshan Tech, Dialu Technologies, Swastik College and Bus Seva. Together, all these companies have created and pioneered a host of services, products and technologies in Nepal. When you hear this, you must be thinking that F1 Soft is a very cool place to work at, right? Wrong. A few days ago, I conducted a long training session here with some of the most senior people who work at this company. And I realized 7 reasons that you should never ever work at F1 Soft, and I'm sharing them all with you right here. Do watch. Reason number 1, nation building. F1 Soft is working diligently to ensure the inclusivity of every single citizen within the digital payment system. What this means is that right now, over 95% banks,
over 10 million citizens, and over 500,000 merchants
are using the QR code payment system provided by PhonePe. Very soon, almost everyone, people like you and me, will start using their systems, thus leading to more transparency, increased financial and digital literacy, and more mobility, therefore ensuring nation building. But nation building? The term itself is so boring. Which youngster wants to take up the responsibility of building the economy anyway? No one. So you too, if you don't want to get involved in boring things like building up the country, and if you want to spend the rest of your days just chilling, never ever join F1 Soft. Reason number 2, growth. A 2-minute survey revealed to me that many people have been working at F1 Soft for over 5 years. In fact, Mr. Santosh Pun started here as a fresher in 2009 and in a short span of only 11 years has managed to become a senior engineering manager. Many other people also revealed to me that since they joined F1 Soft, their salaries increased, they could pay off their loans and overall provide a lot more for their families. But growth equals more responsibility and change. And who wants to take up additional responsibility? And aren't we all afraid of change? So, if you want to stay safe in your career and not grow at all, you must never ever join F1 Soft. Reason number 3, freedom. One of the most revolutionary aspects about working at F1 Soft is that all employees and team members have complete freedom and autonomy over their careers. In fact, they can move around from one project to the other, choosing to focus on projects that they're truly passionate about. Mr. Prajwal Shrestha started as HOD at eSeva and was then promoted to CBO at Cogent Health. His work fulfills him and he is able to avoid the monotony of being at a project for too long. Employees get to choose what they want to focus on. They get to choose and decide their own career path, and hence have more fulfilling careers overall. But here is the big problem with that. Working at F1 Soft does not feel like a job at all. It feels more like a career that you have complete control over. And that's why you should not work here. Because you wanted a job, because you wanted it to feel like a job, right? But the working at F1 Soft feels more like a calling, a career, a passion. So if you want a job that feels really like a boring fixed job, you must never ever work at F1 Soft. Reason number 4, learning. When I conducted the training session for F1 Soft, I went in proudly. After all, I was the trainer. But the more I taught, the more I learned. Data analytics from Mr. Suresh Gautam and business expansion from Mr. Prajwal Shrestha. At the end of the session, I felt stupid. I was like, Mansi, you only know about communication. But this is normal at F1 Soft. Not only do they care deeply about their team and invest immensely on training and growth, but all colleagues often come together in groups during off time or even at the multiple parties and discuss their projects and share ideas, thus learning across various disciplines. So if you don't want to learn anything at all because you've graduated college, if you think learning should be over for you right where the exams end, you must never ever join F1 Soft, because here the learning never ends. Reason number 5, energy. I just spent 7 days here at the F1 Soft office. The energy here is palpable. Everyone walks with purpose, talks with passion, and shares with enthusiasm. There are friendships and fist pumps everywhere, and you can literally feel and soak in the energy of this place. But that's the problem. If you prefer old-fashioned offices where everything is white and grey, the office itself, the clothes and the moods, then you're not going to like this place at all. For me, being here at F1 Soft was literally like a kid being in a theme park. I love the vibrant energy of this place. But if you think offices should be slow and low on energy, you must never ever work at F1 Soft. Reason number 6, facilities and perks. F1 Soft compensates employees above industry standards. It also hosts regular get-togethers, and there are so many different activities and engagements where teams can meet each other and come to know each other. In fact, lifelong friendships are formed here. And so many people say that when they work at F1 Soft, it doesn't really feel like work at all. It feels more like a second home. But that is the real problem. Because if you too don't want to get spoilt by the amazing facilities, if you don't want to get spoilt by all the lifelong friendships, you must never ever work here, because no other place will feel as comfortable as this ever. Reason number 7, infrastructure. The infrastructure at the F1 Soft office is world class. Everything is vibrant. There are amazing little places where you can hang around and chill. In fact, working here feels like working on a vacation because the view itself is completely amazing. But what's the problem? Every single corner is selfie worthy, and that is a big problem. Because you see, your friends are going to get really jealous if they see your Instagram feed full of beautiful looking pictures from office. And jealous friends equals buri nazar, right? So if you too don't want the evil eye of your friends on your Instagram feed, you must never ever work at F1 Soft. So, do whatever you want, but please don't work at F1 Soft if you don't want to take up the responsibility of building the nation, if you want to be stuck in an old-fashioned job, if you don't want a job which is high energy, high growth and high learning, if you want to avoid responsibility of every type, and if you don't want to enjoy in a world-class infrastructure which casts the evil eye upon your Insta feed. But if you decide to ignore everything I've said, and if you still decide to go ahead and work at F1 Soft, remember, you can't actually work here, because at F1 Soft, work is play, work is passion, and work is purpose.